Sewage from bathrooms in tourist attraction sites, parking lots, parks, generally contains large amounts of nitrogen and phosphorus, which are the materials that cause eutrophication, not to mention the terrible stink. Also, when these sewage is released to lakes or rivers, it results in intensifying eutrophication, which are the main cause of water and air pollution. To prevent this phenomenon, non-discharge flush toilets have actively been introduced. However, due to the lack of efficiency and underdeveloped technologies in sewage treatment process, waste cannot be fully purified. Also, there are problems involving the stench it omits, not to mention the restriction of space for installation. Developed a simply manageable non-discharge system which undergoes 7 steps of purification process with only minimum power that disintegrate and dissipate the sewage. Let us look at the sewage purification process. First, the sewage from the bathroom toilets are gathered into a collecting tank. In this collecting tank, the impure substances are removed. Afterwards, the treated sewage is equally dispensed and collected, then moved to a flow balance tank. The sewage collected in the flow balance tank is separated by precipitation process, flows naturally to a discharge tank. In the discharge tank, the organic matters from the sewage are dissipated. Microorganisms from bio-wood chips are used to amplify the soil microbes, using red clay and other materials from the fixed bed carrier layer. The sewage, which have been introduced from the discharge tank, is moved to the second stage contact amplifier tank. The contact amplifier tank is charged with solid wastewater, effluent carrier mineral blocks which are made with various types of minerals. These blocks remove the stench, pigment, organic matter included in the sewage from underneath. The sewage, which have been passed through the second purification stage in the contact amplifier tank, flows to the 2-phased soakage filter tank. The soakage filter tank is charged with 2 layers of specially treated charcoal. The first layer is not provided with oxygen, whereas the second layer is provided with oxygen. This stage treats the leftover pigment and the organic matters of the sewage for the second time. The outcome flows from the soakage filter tank to the filter tank. The filter tank is charged with granular activated carbon, which is passed through from bottom to top in order to filter all the organic matter and pigments for the final time. From the filter tank, the sewage flows to the treatment tank. The treatment tank sterilizes the general bacteria, including coliform bacillus, with in-water ultraviolet sterilizers. Afterwards, cleansed water is circulated and supplied back to the toilets with supply pumps. Also, the used water is then returned to the upper treatment tank with the return pump. And during this circulation process, the amount of dissolved oxygen capacity is increased. When there are only a few users, there may be a shortage in usable water due to evaporation. In such case, purified rainwater can be used to make up for the shortage. Also, compared to regular bathroom facilities, the cost of construction for our product is greatly reduced during installation, since there is no need of sewage-related septic tanks or pipelines. In addition, the inexpensive maintenance cost and repair fees have received recognition from the government as excellent products and for performance authentication.